In this lesson, we want to explain pen tool. This tool is used to draw lines. First, choose a color and click and drag on a photo to draw lines, as you can see. In its settings, you can change the color. Any color that you want, you can choose. The interesting part is head shape. You can change head shape of the pens. The circular mode is by default, square mode, and linear heads that are in different direction. As you can see, these are interesting when you have a pen to draw it. For example, vacuum, pressure pen. As you can see, you can draw any line in any direction of it. Okay, you can control the shadow. Shadow is in all tools, which has been explained many times in the previous lessons. You can change setting of shadow. You can change pen thickness in width and opacity right here. Okay. Create as a vector option here is to draw these lines in a vector mode. And in this case, when you close the line, its quality does not change. This is vector. But if this option is disabled and we will draw a line, it draw in a pixel mode. If you pay attention and more close to the line, as you can see, the pixels are here. And the important thing is the line is attached to photo and you cannot move it again. Okay, we Ctrl Z to come back. When the line is in a pixel mode, draw line with anti-alias, enable, next, anti-alias disable, and you can see the difference between them. The task of anti-alias is to soften these sharp edges. This is anti-alias. Okay, another option is smooth. When we draw a line, for example, in a zigzag pattern, if a smooth is disabled, you can see exactly the same direction as the mouse goes. Draw exactly the same direction. But if it is active, it is slightly corrects the path and make it softer to make the line look smoother. Okay, this is all about pen tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.